I will talk about how can you clear cache on your Goodnovel app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down here, click here on profile down here, just click on it. So when you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just click here on settings here. So then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here on clear cache. So just click here on clean. Then here it's going to clear with you like you see here on your Goodnovel app. So that's all you have to do to clear cache on your Goodnovel app. That's all you have to do. You just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.